Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Alrighty then, let's get into it here today, right away. So don't forget, we are doing our 5 trades here, and of course, there you go. Hit us up on Facebook, here on Instagram, and YouTube. And we are right in a trade right now. Sorry, I'm a little distracted trying to look at this one. So all high time frames, looking to the long side. I am, where's my all button? So let's show all. So across all screens here, look at the MACV. All of them green. I've got this double cross, double move that didn't quite get up to its location, so I'm kind of battling with this trade right now. Adding back to it again as it comes to this little, got a little HMD to the long side on RTY. Again, going with the MACV, we're green, we got green dot on it. It looks like we could go up. I'm hearing sellers. We're right coming into this space here. Let's zoom in. It'll be easier for you guys to see. So we are in RTY right here. So we're okay. So I'm hearing sellers. I don't like that. Let's see. HMD, I look at that double cross, double move, but the red dot came in. Just this got a little borked here. We got another shot here to try to take this one up. Let's see if we go. Are we gonna go? Okay, we're going. Let me push it back out. Coming into king timing, gotta make sure that this doesn't just crank a turn. Okay, I think we're gonna go. Let me push that out to high. Let's do this. I'm gonna do F8. Go. See, the hard part for this one is where's the midline on this one? We'll come back and talk about this one. This is a tough spot. Not really a double cross, double move scenario here. This might end up being the reversal point. You see that one right there? That is a beautiful headshot short right there. And look at our MACV down here. Oh, my camera thing is in the way. Let me get out of the way. See the... I press buttons all the time. Again, focus on this histogram thing and our deltas down here. This is important. Primary filters, right? We should be to the long side for the best sets of moves here. We're in the late afternoon here. And remember, it is earnings report season, so end of day is, you know, my favorite spot to trade during this type of season. Earnings reports coming out here tonight. We got lots of companies reporting here this evening. I'll go back. I'll have to check the numbers again to remind myself how many. Earnings for today is... oh, not too many. Today's only 31. According to what just popped out. Did I read the right one? Okay. I thought it was in the 80s. Sorry, it's 31. So not too many. Again, next week is the real big dogs. Next week we'll be in the hundreds of companies reporting next week. All right, here we go. We're going. I'm going to add to position. I wish I had some... I needed to hear some buyers step in there typically, but I want to try to maximize a play here. Again, we're doing this small account challenge. It looks like we got space up to that VL1. Look at this space up here. Like, this is looking real nice. If we keep pushing. All MACVs currently still green, literally across all E-minis. R2I and Q, ES, YM.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Nasdaq, what are you putting up over there? Grab Gartley red. I like to hear buyers here. We're right at the open line. Remember what we talked about yesterday, right? Being around that open line, what do we know, right? We're gonna expect some accumulation here, which we've already kind of started, right? Kind of came through it. Look over here, we accumulated around it, coming here, kind of coming back to it, accumulating. But now that it's accumulated twice, what does that mean? Now we could get a distribution, so I'm hyper aware of that. And I put my targets in my gold line. Oh, it's a mess right here. Ah. Yeah, we're good. That gold line right there should be my ending target on double cross, double move. We'll take some off right there. I'm hearing a few buyers. Let's see. I have day right up in there. Looking at YM, I may take a shot at YM here. YM's starting to set up real nicely. I have not heard any buyers here. It's kind of good that it's grinding, but kind of not. I'd rather just go. Can you guys feel the speed? The speed is a lot different than yesterday.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
A lot slower right now. NQ. Oh man, that looks juicy. NQ is putting in a juicy red. There's MACV all green, but there are multi PRZs with a cross in it, so PRZ cross for the entry point. I may switch over there and punch in on NQ. We are high enough in our P&Ls at this point in our small account challenge. I can add NQ to the menu, so NQ is technically possible on the menu. You're gonna flirt a second time with this spot. Oh my word. It
Target
right.
filled.
I'm gonna take half
Target
this off. I don't know
filled.
what she's gonna do here. Got this pink dot up here. We're breaking it. The way we're floating here on this open line, we could have a problem. And that would be so perfect. 2232.7. Oh, get out of there, sellers.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the MACV.
Oh my word. Okay, I'm gonna take this short over there on NQ. That's too juicy. We're coming down on NQ. All right, first trade on NQ of the small account challenge. This is that one I was saying earlier. Look, now it's coming in red dot on the 8s as well. I gotta at least give that a shot. I'm way behind this entry. Well aware of that. Gotta be very careful here. Shouldn't have chased this. Hearing sellers, want to give it a shot. Why did my ATM not fire off? Oh my word, I clicked this one, so there's no ATM on it. Okay, targets down here at that PRZ. Wow, I'm working this up. Lack of prep. Didn't have that set. Too much thinking around this one. Thinking. Got this beautiful red dot coming down the 8s. You don't want to try to get too greedy here. Why? Because we're going against the there we go, baby. Drop it. Going against the MACV. Sorry, I'm and manage 2 trades. This is a tricky part when you got 2 trades open. Talk through it. It's going to be here for me. King timing line. I've got space for bars here. Remember, this is a high time frame play. I'm not as concerned here. Would have been better, obviously, pinpoint interest when I was saying earlier. I had this red up here. We had this one here. This one was not there at the time. Would have been against it. And everything is green right now. Was much more dangerous before. Again, we're just trying for a target 1 on scenarios like this. But in this case, we've got that one sitting out there, so we. Let's see if we can hold out.
Short. Look for a short.
Up to that. There we go. MACD is shifting red. You're hearing sellers. That's good. That's probably bad for my RTY though. I'm going to close out my RTY. I'm hearing sellers coming in. Okay, 2 more bars to king timing. Come on. And this turned into be about to be a juicy one right there. Come on, baby, push it. Nope, you're giving me a blue bar. Closing her out. Okay, very nice, very nice. RTY closed out that trade as well on the sellers. Right there. We may reinitiate this if everything we start to hear some buyers again, but right now you heard the aggressiveness of the size coming in to the sell side. So closing out that trade right up under there. And let's keep an eye on NQ. NQ is now officially on the menu, and I liked that move right there. That was a juicy one right there. I'll take that all day. We got red dot on the 8s. The only thing that was going against us was that right there. Let's watch this as this rolls over. 8 bars here. That gray spot will go, and we'll move 8 bars in. The gray section will complete. When that gray section completes, we'll see if we get any more setups, and we'll just react to what we see. Okay, we got a red dot here. I'm going to give that one more shot. Stops right back behind our red dot here. If we're going to get some continuation on the move. I hear sellers. Target down there. Final on to PRZ cross. Still no, I'm against histogram. We're going to give it a shot. Oh, yikes. Where'd that red dot go? Dot. So that means we've got less points of confluence. The confluence is not there. Yikes. Oh, don't do that to me. Drop it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Don't you do it. Seller still. Let's see if we can grind farther. Facing out, it's small stop. Nice juicy targets. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. There we go. I hear sellers. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Start to drop. I'll add to position. Drop it. There we go. Cross. Add to position.
Short.
Our target's
Look
right.
for a short.
Right down in there. Let me get my stops back behind the cross. Let's go. Oh no, get those buyers out of here. You don't want that. Drop it. So we had RTY, we had NQ, and then this is another NQ, grade 3. Don't you? Oh, come on! Right. Well, I should have probably bailed when that red
Fib
dot
dot.
cracked.
Nasdaq
Woulda,
on
shoulda,
the 2s.
couldas. Got a nice spot. See that PRZ right there? Should turn red if we touch it, and then hopefully it'll land right on it. See that little crosshair right there? Right? We've got the PRZ. There's a king timing. King timing right there. Finger over. Oh, PRZ's gone. Okay.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
King timing. All right, let's go. Get in there. Oh, PRZ target has moved. Okay. PRZ target 1, PRZ target 2. Let's go. Stop needs to be cross.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Yikes. All right, so this spot's borking me. Did not get down there. It happens. Okay, so it's 3 and 4. Got me. We got one trade left for trade number 5. Gotta make her a good one here. Let's read around. So what's our MACV doing all around? We've got screens. Here, let's zoom out to all screens for everybody. And where is the show all? There we go. I've noticed when I do the show all, for some reason, look how choppy my mouse gets. Yikes. Probably answers our question from before, you know, whether I could show all at the same time. Look how, oh man, I'm getting lagged. Doesn't like streaming 4 monitors at the same time. Okay, I guess this is equivalent to 4K at this point. You got 4 screens at that, but it's probably doing more. It's probably worse. I'd probably be better off to just do a 4K monitor with that. All right, sorry, let's focus in here. We got our 5th trade here. One trade for our 5th trade. to go. We've got double red dot here on RTY. Kind of liking the looks of that one. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this double dot red short. MACV seems like it's starting to shift over here. We've got it turning. Double
Fib
red.
dot, Nasdaq
Put this
on the
back
fives.
behind the double dot. Oh, back there. Oh, it's just so much lag. Oh, let me zoom you guys into that screen. Much lag on that full screen thing if I'm trying to execute. There we go. It feels better. Okay, noted.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the wave. Fib dot, Nasdaq on the twos.
Okay, fifth trade here. Looking for... Oh, we have a PRZ target way down there. Technically, RTY is still technically... I'm sorry. MACV on RTY is technically still green. So keeping that in mind, we are trading against MACV here. So am I going to go big? Or am I going small? Right? Staying small. Till we get a shift or we hear something, right? Speed is torturous. Ah, come on. I'm gonna bail on it. Start to hear sellers, I can always reinitiate. Remember what I said yesterday? I can always re-enter, right? But I don't like the signs there. I see YM pushing up, NQ's pushing up, RTY maybe starting here. Put my finger over the sell. I can reinitiate if I get this sign, get the feeling that we're going to. Again, we can know where we're at here. We've got, oh, I didn't mark this one. F6 here. Okay, so we know the white line is there. Let's see if we react to that spot right there. I'm going to put one up here as well. Two spots that we can look. I'm going to remove the fib stuff. It's messy. Remove all. I don't want to just so I don't all, but I do want to remove this one. Click it. Okay, so here's our clear lines. We got the open line there, got ours there, got that one there. A bit trickier today. I don't have king timing. I have large or king timing here. Are widening out. Notice how these were choppy, choppy, choppy. Now we're widening out. You see this? So again, I think the distribution leg play should be coming in right here. Let's see. All right, hearing some sellers. Are we going? I'm gonna give this another shot here. Keeping it tight here. I'm gonna put this back behind the white lines and the red dot here. I'm hearing sellers. I like the sound of that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And remember this PRZ down there, I can always close it. No sellers, let's go. Add to position, let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go. $350 algo's about to kick in any second now. Come on, let's go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Oh my word. Okay, well today is a lot, you can tell today is a lot harder than it was yesterday. Feel the shift? Can you guys feel the shift? The speed is not here. Time frame. Golden ropes on the wave. Highs and RTY, come on. I hear the sellers. Why is RTY pushing up? That's not good. Come on now. Oh, come on. Drop it. All right, let me get this back behind PRZ here. So, you know, we could pop right in there and hit right here. Don't you do it. Fake pop up and drop now. Oh shoot. I'm trying to I'm gonna close it. Oh, dadgummit. Yikes. Okay, we got the big moon coming in here.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
50 algo should be kicking any moment now. We got like 2 minutes till. Let's try to hold. So that was 5th trade. We've got 1 trade, so it's not doesn't feel like a bonus trade here. I can decide now. I'm 5 trades in and I'm not successful, right? Take a note here. This is getting borked. Double dot here didn't go. Yeah, we didn't even get to target 1 on the double dot here on this scenario. I'm thinking through it. Well, we obviously know we're going against green there. We started to shift, but again, it's always, that's why I tell you guys, like, don't anticipate, don't just go the opposite direction just because of this. And if you are, go small. Okay, right? We're not loading up the boat on trades like that. We want to load up the boat when we got good opportunities. Kicking myself for not getting more out of that. Okay, here we go.
Pattern. Nasdaq.
All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use my bonus trade to give this one more shot here. Stop back behind. This is a multi PRZ shark and a butterfly. This is not just, you know, a single. We know we've touched our white line. I'm hearing sellers, so those are my reasons for going ahead and reinitiating. I'm gonna try this one more shot. I got that PRZ there. Got a white cross equivalent right here. Technically speaking, the stop should be at 22297. On the high time frame, oh, as I say it, it's almost like I just gonna make it go and stop right back. Oh, I'm gonna close it. My sixth trade, I can take two swings at it. I got my finger over the sell if we go. I mean, I'm hearing the sellers. Where are you now? Let's move. Oh man, okay, going in, +1. You guys remember my rules? Here we go, we're gonna go +1. Come on, let's go. PRZ, red, let's go. PRZ cross, short, turning red, in a big white cross. Stop here would be 229.8. We're at .9, it's a good stop. There's one up there at 2232. Final trade here, come on, let's get me back to green, baby. Come on. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Speed is torturous.
Exit.
Guys, getting me. I should have stuck with NQ, man. Look at NQ. Let's go. I'm gonna give myself an opportunity to trade NQ here. We've got three. Is it 3 in a row? Okay. Oh, there we go. Come on. And I'm gonna go +1. I'm hearing the sellers. Finger over the close if we don't. NQ's pushing down. YM's pushing down. That's a PRZ cross here. Yes, it's stopped me out by a tick here. See that double crossover timing? Hoping that as we touch that we just break.
Fib dot, NASDAQ.
There we go. Okay, this is going to be a very important spot. We got a crossover timing, large. That's double large right there. We are right in the center of double large. Let's go, baby. Come on. Get daddy back to green. Let's go. I realized I do not have high time frame. I need to be doing target 1 on this. I do not have a high time frame. I shouldn't really push that. So I need to have. This is coming off a low time frame only. I don't have a trade up. I mean, I could say I do, but if I do, then I got to put my stop back up here. And then I shouldn't be in 4 contracts. I should only be in 2. So. Come on, baby. Go, go.
Fib dot.
Yes,
NASDAQ on the
yes. Let's go, let's go. Red dot, double cross. I'm sorry, double timing crossover right here. Double large. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Sellers, let's go.
Target.
Yes. Let's go. Give me some more. Let's go. Dude, this would be great if this drops right here. Come on. The high time frame kicked in with me. Let's go. I want to see this histogram shift red. It would be fantastic. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Harmonic pattern.
Let's go. Let's go. I hear sellers. Can always close it. Worst case scenario. Let's go. That juice, dude, that would be amazing. Would that not be amazing right there?
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ.
Okay, double cross, double move on in
NASDAQ
queue.
on the twos.
There's a green dot right behind it.
Target.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, I'm gonna close it right there. I'm back in. I am back into positive. I'm back into positive. Nope, I'm keeping it right there. Okay. Holy shnikes. Oh, that was stressful.
Harmonic
Okay.
pattern.
There we go. All right, we're going. Let's go.
Building.
Let's go. I'm going. You want to push it? Let's go. I'm feeling. You feel that drop? You feel that push? Holy shnikes. Let's go. Look at that PRZ target down there. That's 2240. 2240. That's right there. Getting a little greedy if I'm pushing it beyond that. 22. Yikes. Green dot right there. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Break it. Break it. Break it. Come on. Give me that one.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on
Like
the
that
twos.
giant delta
Harmonic
just showed
pattern.
up there.
NASDAQ on the twos.
Could be a fake. Always be aware of that. Big gigantic delta right there, right on the king.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
Red dot,
on the
let's
twos.
go. Push it down. Push it down, let's go. Come on now. Oh, come on.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
Locking in my stop here. We break that red dot. I gotta close it. Nope, closing it. Dadgummit! Alright. Remember, I always tell you, look, I can always reinitiate. I can always get back in, but don't. There we go, right now. Like right now. The red dot's still gonna potentially hold.
Delta buy
Drop
building.
it. I don't like this. I'm hearing buyers now. That's not good. So if that was just a sell off to let the buyers pick back up, then I'm getting stuck in the trap. I hear it. Nope, I'm hearing them. I hear the buyers coming. Dadgummit. All right, see, and that's why you don't overtrade. Right there, right there. Perfect example. Oh my word, there's so many things to learn what not to do in this session. Chased that one, right? I could have, if I had left that other one, left a runner or something. Oh, there's so many things to learn on that. This is gonna be a great one to play back here tonight. I'm definitely gonna do a recap here tonight, walking through those trades and the mistakes. Look at NQ, man. I should have just kind of stuck over there looking at NQ. Look at this. So it got the drop. That double cross, double move was perfection down. Then what's that right there? That is a perfect cluster reversal on what? On the open. NQ, much easier read there than the RTY. I wouldn't say the RTY was bad. I mean, we got back to positive thanks to
Delta sell build.
this. First was a PRZ cross, turns into a headshot PRZ. You guys see how powerful that is? Why I love that. I mean, of course, it didn't show up right away,
pattern.
but
NASDAQ
that is a
on the
headshot PRZ cross. Yeah, it was a, oh, that was a bum wrap right there. Stopping me out by a tick. We reinitiated, tried it again. got the beautiful drop, but then I tried to get greedy with it and push it again. And look, every dot is not going to work. I've told everybody this, like you cannot trade off of just a single dot. That dot, it breaks. It broke right there. You know, it pushes me right back and tried to get greedy. I heard the aggressiveness of the sellers, but I would have had to really already kind of be in that one. And it's the end of day here. We're getting the shake. Got that 350 algo kicking in, not our algo. People get confused by that. Like, oh, what do you mean? What's your 350 algo? It's not my 350 algo. It's just, if you ever go look at 350 in the afternoons on any given day, you'll see that, you know, oomph of movement that comes, like the final 10 minutes of the day. So we call it the 350 algo. There's a little announcement in our room that kind of comes up and all that. So that should be helpful to help remind you. Are you gonna give me a shot? I don't want to do that. Look at look at NQ. It's very, 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 very telling right here. Look at NQ. Wow, that cluster. I mean, can you see this cluster and a half? Wow, wow. I got borked. Yep, got caught in that trap. That little that fake out dip down, and look at that 350 algo picks her up. Blah! Yeah, I could have maybe anticipated, not forget the anticipation. I could have reacted better there. I did not have to do that. Got back to positive. Should have been happy with that. It was 6 trades in. I lost the game today. Oh my word, look at him pushing. Holy shnikes.
Delta cell building.
You gonna let me play? They gonna let me get in? Do I get in on some of this? Comes king timing. Whoa, we are way out of bounds.
J hook long, Nasdaq on the 2s.
J hook.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the
Red
2s.
headshot.
Fib
Taking me
dot.
a short. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. What just happened? Oh my word. Did I just hit the wrong button? Why am I long right now?
Fib
What
dot.
did I just do? What did I just do? Did I seriously just hit the buy market button? Okay, I have got to quit. I have got to quit. Ladies and gentlemen, did y'all just see what I just did? Because I'm over here in the corner of my eye. I thought I had my mouse right here. My mouse is too high sensitivity. Look at this. I'm trying to get short on that red headshot. I hit the buy button. My mouse must have slipped right there. I was like, why did it just say exit? Why did I just...
pattern.
Oh.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Okay. Holy crap. Are you joking me? Biggest noob move in the world.
Harmonic pattern. Harmonic
I
pattern.
just...
Nasdaq on the
My
2s.
mouse, look how my mouse is extremely sensitive. I can feel it right now because I'm playing, you know, Battlefield. These things happen. I am on a extremely high sensitivity right now. Oh my word! And I just slipped over and hit
Nasdaq
the wrong
on the
freaking button. Are you joking me? Well, how embarrassing! How embarrassing is that?
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Yes.
on the 2s.
My trolls are going to absolutely love that. All right, I'm just going to quit right there. I'm going to come back and do a rehash. After that,
Harmonic pattern.
I
Nasdaq
am
on the
freaking
2s.
livid. That was basically what put me back in a positive right there. Right there. Little headshot, rip. I literally look and I'm like, why? Oh, it's going to go. And then I hear exit. Are you I can't talk about it anymore. I'm livid. Do a recap later. Red day. Oh wait, hold on. No. I got
Nasdaq on the 2s.
We need to do a performance. Let's look at the stats. What's today's date? 7/21. July 21st. Unbelievable. All right, so let's come down to our... Feels like the wall of shame window here today. Oh my word, are you joking me? 32%, 0.77. Yikes. Not a good day. And one of those would have put me back into positive territory. After commissions, minus $331. There's the stats there. Let's
Short. Look for a short.
That is rough.
Delta buy building.
Okay, well, maybe
Harmonic pattern.
maybe on the next
NASDAQ
one.
on the
Oh
Tuesday.
shoot, we got to do full. Where are we
Fib
on
dot.
the
NASDAQ on the
contest?
fives.
So contest. Let's
Harmonic.
get
Fib dot.
our date range.
NASDAQ
We
on the
want
5s.
7.5.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the MACV.
And on
Harmonic
that one,
pattern.
so here we go. So let's do the whole contest. Come and look at the analysis overall for trading contest. So first red day here shouldn't have been. Should have been another green day. That is ridiculous. Doing pretty good there so far.
Fib dot.
So yes,
NASDAQ
we
on the
are
2s.
for those dates. Okay, for since when Ross, yeah, we did the whole reset thing,
Long.
and
Harmonic pattern.
two.
NASDAQ. Fib dot. NASDAQ. Fib
there's
dot.
Short. Look for a
this is where
short.
we're
Fib
at
dot.
on
NASDAQ
Ross's,
on the twos.
redo start over thing, and man, that's rough. Okay. So we're at 8,300 or so in this current contest. Just sorry, I'm so flustered by what just occurred on today's stuff. Like I cannot believe I hit the wrong button. I'm sitting here trying to think in my head how I can change my sensitivity on this one. I've got a profile on this mouse. It's not my gaming profile, but this one, it carried over because I don't have a switch
Fib dot.
for
NASDAQ
this one.
on the
Let me try to
MACV.
look at it right now. So my current settings, yeah, it feels so slippery. So as long as I switch back over to my gaming profile
Fib dot.
like this,
NASDAQ.
so there's my super high,
Fib
but
dot.
it was stuck
NASDAQ
right here.
on the
Oh
twos.
man, feel how, see, you can't trade with this high of a sensitivity. So when I switched back over here, I didn't do it with the switch menu, so it didn't change me back to my default. I was trading
Fib
with
dot.
such a high
NASDAQ
sensitivity.
on the
Oh
fives.
my word. I literally slipped over
Fib dot.
and I'm hitting
NASDAQ on the 2s.
the wrong button. Folks, your equipment matters, your settings matter. Don't do what I did. Alright, so switching back to my lower sensitivity, I have so much, I have so much more control with that. It's a huge difference. Anyhow, beat that dead horse. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you guys this evening. Did a checklist earlier today. If you guys want to go check that out, we'll talk to you guys this evening and walk through some of those because that kind of needs to be. We need to look through those, and there's a lot to learn. You can learn a lot more from the losers than the winners. The winners are easy. Losers are not. All right,
Fib
folks.
dot.
Thanks for hanging
NASDAQ
out. For me,
on the
Tippy,
twos.
Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang. Let's send out that big H down. Red Day. See ya.